we'll go on this stone. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yes, we come here. Hello guys, today we are coming to Sesimbra. We are going to this way. This is the sea beach side. So first of all, we entered this point. Let's see what is waiting for us. This name is Portuguese de Santiago. This is the first visiting point. So let's see. We are entering now. From here, we can decide which side we are going now. There is the hill, and there has a lot of board side. We can ride the board. This is the main beach, Sesimbra beach, and now we go to this way. We are walking on the beach. We need to around 5 minutes to arrive the hill. If you want to stay here, if you want to stay in Sesimbra, you will get lot of VIP hotel. If you want reasonable hotel, you need to go to the opposite side on the road. Finally, we come to our point. You can see the lot of stone have there. This is good for photo shoot. And finally, we go to there. It's too much sleepy. Whoa, 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 whoa. It's too much sleepy. Father, it's too sleepy. Yeah. Yes. Yes. Woo! We are going to there. We're going there. We are going there. We'll go on this stone. We can go easily if we are swimming now, but it's winter, we can't swim. That's why I select this way. I will jump there. Wah! I will go on the stage, on this stone. But how can I go? I need to go. I need to go. It's too risky, but I need to go. I need to go. With this dress, we can't go. Too much fluctuated. If I drop my camera, I will lose it. Yeah. Huh? Is he there? With warm, some honey with egg. We cannot bring lot of food because if you bring, you cannot walk properly. So always try take some dry food and energetic food. That's why I bring born roti, egg and one box honey.